Program to check whether a matrix is symmetric or not. What is symmetric matrix? A matrix is symmetric if its transpose is equal to original matrix. Transpose of matrix is, this is original matrix, this is transpose of the matrix. Each row converted to column. This is first row is 1, 2, 3, it converted to first column. This is second row is 4, 5, 6, it converted to second column. Now this is original matrix and this is transpose matrix. If both are equal, then this is your symmetric matrix. But here these two are not equal. This is your 2 row 3 column 2 by 3 matrix. This is your 3 by 2 matrix. Therefore, a matrix is symmetric if and only if it is a square matrix. That means order must be equal. Then only square matrix can be symmetric. Transpose of a non-square matrix is never symmetric. This is an example of a symmetric matrix. This is 3 by 3 matrix. Its transpose is, this is first row is first column, second row second column, third row third column. So this is your transpose of matrix and both are equal. See, all the elements are equal. So this is your symmetric matrix. This is first row, this is first row, this is second row, third row, all are equal. Each element, corresponding elements are equal. So this is your symmetric matrix. A matrix is called symmetric if Aij equal to Aji for all elements. To check a matrix symmetric or not symmetric, first input elements of a 3 by 3 matrix, compare each element of Aij with Aji. If any pair is not equal, increment k. If k equal to 0, matrix is symmetric. If k not equal to 0, matrix is not symmetric. For this one, this is your array declaration, then input elements of 3 matrix. Then here, if Aij not equal to Aji, k plus plus. Here original value of k is 0. If one corresponding elements, any corresponding elements is not equal, then k plus plus. Otherwise k is 0. Now if k equal to 0, this is symmetric, else it is not symmetric. This is the program.